This is the image of the poetess Uzma Sadaf. Her poem, All the Birds Have Been Imprisoned, is being recited by Ehsan Elahi Ehsan. All the birds have been imprisoned. The journey of life has stopped. Imagination has died. Hands are cut. All the birds have been imprisoned, and there is a sphere God outside. All truths have become reticent. The tongue is silent. The weather has been shut in the hind window of the eyes. In the last quarters of the night, everything has been looted. The nest has been taken away by the storm. Now I am there, all alone. Oh my God, who meets me in the form of pieces, and these pieces are all scattered. I said for another time to join these pieces together.